Good morning, third grade. It is time to take your test. You can find it inside of your book. I put it there. If not, then I will have it attached to this assignment so you can print it out, or you can just write right on it now, which is really nice. But anyway, let's go over the directions. Okay, the first thing you want to do is take a look at number 1. Make sure you're on this side, page 1 of the test. And we're going to look at numbers 1 and 2. Now, I'm not going to do any of these with you because it is your test, but I am going to go over the directions. So let's take a look at right here where the directions start. It says, draw a box around each set. And you can use circles because that's what we usually do. Write the division equation, and that's right here. Now, I am going to give you a little hint. Remember, division, the division sign is a line with a dot on the top and a dot on the bottom. Okay, and you're going to write the division equation and then complete the sentence. So whatever the answer is here, however many sets, that's what you're going to put here. There are so many sets. Now, of course, I can't tell you what it is. You have to figure it out. All right, so let's see. You need to do that with number 2. Now, remember, we learned 2 ways to do it, okay? Sometimes they give us the amount of sets, and we have to figure out how many are in each set. And sometimes they give us how many are in each set, and we have to figure out how many sets there are. And that's what they're doing here. They give us how many are in each set, which would be 3, right? So you'll circle 3 at a time. Same thing with number 2. All right, let's move on to numbers 3 through 8. All right, so you're going to figure out the answer to the division problem, and then you're going to check it by multiplying. Okay, so you'll take your answer and you'll multiply it back with this number, the second number, and you should get this first number here. If not, that means that your first answer is incorrect and you need to rework that out. All right, then moving down to the bottom, you just have a division review. Remember, these are the 2 ways that it looks. You have the one with the little division sign, and then you also have this symbol for division. Okay? All right, and that is that. Oh, and the other thing I wanted to remind you is whenever you have 2 digits here, you want to make sure that your answer is above the number that it should be. Like, so does 5 go into 3? No, right? So 5 does go into 35. So whatever your answer is will be above the 5. That is important. All right, so now let's take a look at the second page on the back. All right, now this time they're giving us sets of 3. Okay, so that's what you need to do. They have 9 divided into sets of 3. And then you're going to figure out how many sets there are, and you're going to do the related facts, just like you did on the front. All right, and then you have word problems. Do you have to use these areas? Well, I would like to see how you worked out the problem here. I really need to see that. Do you need to circle all of these things? Do I need to see that? No, if you can do it in your head, that's great. But I do need to see the number equation, and I also need to see your answer written here. And don't forget, you're going to need to add a word to your answer, unless it's money. All right, so let's see. What word would you need for this one? You always look for the words how many, and then you're going to use the word after the word how many, which is hours. So your answer would be so many hours. So Jack spent something hours in the caves. All right, so there you go. If you have any questions, just let me know. Email me and I will get back to you. Okay, well, have fun with this. And don't forget to turn it in when you're finished. And you have a really great day.